This video will cover using citation management tools on Nexis Uni. Just so you know, there are two citation management tools on Nexis Uni, tools to help you with citing. On a document, you're going to see a box that reads Export Citation. If you click on this box, it will read, what is your selected citation format? In the pull-down menu, you will see APA, Blue Book, Chicago, and MLA. Blue Book is how one cites in the legal profession. I'm going to select Blue Book. Now, I may highlight, copy, and paste, or simply copy to a clipboard. Your second citation management tool, I'm going to go to my results list. Now we see this icon of the 3 books. It's currently grayed out. It's not active. But as soon as I select a document, it is now active. This is your second citation management tool. You may export bibliographical information to a third-party citation tool, such as EndNotes, RefWorks, etc., meaning you're not limited to these 4. Also, I can select common citation formats. And once again, in the pull-down menu, you will have the option of APA, Blue Book, Chicago, and MLA. I'm going to select Blue Book and click on View. And now, once again, you may highlight, copy, and paste.